By connecting with our patients, we learn to understand them. A lot of their treatment takes a long time. It doesn't happen in one day. It doesn't happen overnight. We're compelled to do their treatment and do it well. The mission statement for our practice is do it once, do it right, and do it for life. Everything we do at Parkway Prosthodontics is geared towards giving our patients their smiles back. We will do everything we need to achieve that goal. Over time, we got to the point where we needed to match our growth scale. So from there, we developed an in-house laboratory. Our new laboratory has 3,000 square feet, is able to and capable of designing natural smiles now. Natural smiles that are customized to each and every one of our patients, and we can provide that to you quicker, more efficiently than ever before.
My first impression coming here was they make you feel like family. Warm and welcoming from the front door to the back to everything they do. There is never a point where you feel uncomfortable.
They want to know how you're doing. They want to know about your life, not just your teeth, but how you are as a person. And they take that extra time to do that. You know, most people just want to know that they're being heard, and most people just want to know that you care. And Dr. Ryan's team just do that from day one.
As a patient coming to our practice, we want it to be your comfort zone. No more dental anxiety, no more worries. You know us, you know our staff, you know who we are. We're there to comfort you, make you feel welcome, make you feel the farthest thing from anxious about dental treatment ever before.